Hi, this is Dirk from B&B Auto Sales. Today we're showing you our 70 Chevy K10 four-wheel drive. Nice driver quality truck there. You can see it's got a new grille surround, new bumper, both front and rear. And then we added a tailgate, it's a new tailgate. So the body, it's a Missouri truck at one time. Body's pretty solid, just a chip here and there from using it, you know, enjoying it. So it'd be just a good one to either take to the next level or drive the way it is. Yeah, it was in Missouri in 09 is when that inspection was. So like there, they rock chipped it up and touched it up a little bit. One little bubble on the bottom of the door. There's one right there too. Pretty typical. Touched up a chip. Interior needs nothing. New seat cover, new mat, new dash. Here looks like the original sun visors. Has a manual choke. There's your four-wheel drive and your 4-speed. So door panels all look good. A little bit of fading right here, but nice solid truck. There's your van. Doors shut good. Like I said, this is the only thing you can really bad mouth about a little bit is a few chips. It ain't real rusty. Just an average paint job. It's got some years on it. So they redid the box in diamond tread. There's new tailgate, new bumper. Not much to show you there. Like I said, same, just a chip here and there is what you're gonna see. So nothing majorly bad, just nice driver quality truck. Runs and drives good, 350 automatic. Or 4-speed. Power steering and power brakes, I believe. So if you're looking for a good driver quality truck, drive it the way it is or take it to the next level. 605-695-7391.